Come test drive the 2023 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.